How to fix TurboTax not working? Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. For that, launch your settings app. Now navigate to the option Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network, give a fresh restart to your router and then rejoin it. Also, you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Next thing you want to do is clear cache for the TurboTax app. For that, navigate to the option General. Click on the option iFile Storage. From the list of the apps, find TurboTax. Once you find it, open it. Click on Upload app. Click on Upload app. Uploading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. Next, check for the updates for the app TurboTax. For that, launch your App Store, search for the app TurboTax. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. If none of these solutions work, completely delete TurboTax app from your device and reinstall it. For that, what you have to do is press and hold on the TurboTax app, select the option of Remove app, click on Delete app. Then launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app TurboTax and then install it. By following these steps, you'll be able to fix TurboTax not working. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.